I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright everybody, it's time to turn the audio on, and it's been really so annoying. This error, I don't know what could be the reason behind that. It's simple. Okay, I'm exporting the same Prisma client to both. Okay, if I actually show you this thing, VS Code. I started getting the error because I wanted to use Docker. So initially I said that okay, in this class, first of all, I will be using Docker, and using Docker I will create the new image of MongoDB and then containerize that, and of course run the image in the container, something like that. I tried to do that, but doing that I just messed up with the code and here we are. And the thing is that it should not be the case, but I'm actually facing this error, and it's kind of getting quite tricky to just figure it out. I have HTTP backend and I have WS backend. The same client is being imported in HTTP backend. The same client is being imported in WS backend. The same data is being sent to the HTTP backend. The same data is being sent to WS backend. In HTTP backend, I'm not getting any error. In WS backend, I'm getting the error. And even the same env file, this is the local, I'm using it locally. So the same env file database URL I'm using. And now the question is, when most of the configurations are same, why am I even getting the error? And that is database access denied. This thing is crazy. The client is the same, env file is the same. Even data we are getting, that is the same. I've even checked that. And the way we are creating the things, that is also the same. So why are we getting the error? That's interesting. Right now I don't wanna go deep into it because of course I won't be able to figure out. I'll give it a try tomorrow, and then let's see whether we can find the error or not. Earlier it was working fine, everything was functional. Then because of trying something new, I messed up with this, and though it should work, I'm getting the error over and over and telling me that it's not working. Having said that, if I just open right now http index.ts, so here we are. And if I actually go to this save chats, I actually created this for testing purpose, that's it. So this is the thing that I'm exactly doing the same thing. So if I go to WS right now, WS index, here we are, and if I just paste the same thing, I copied from there and I pasted it here, and here we go, getting the chat, await, promise, client, whatever, getting the same data, message, user ID, room ID, even I checked that once. So ultimately that's right, the data that I'm getting. And yeah, this is it. I can give it a try one more time as I've copied and pasted the things. Don't know. Where is Postman? Postman is not here, that's crazy. I can just simply send a request from here. Sent the request must have gone, by the way, as soon as I draw the diagram. The request must have been sent to the backend. Here I've got the request. If I just scroll up, and here we have the error again. And the error is simple: driver adapter connection closed, whatever. Server has closed the connection. Seriously, are you kidding me? User was denied access on database not available. What could be the reason? I need to meditate on this particular error. We even have .env. Well, this is the HTTP. And inside WS, do we have .env 17 point something? Yeah, we do have that. Are we importing it on the top? Yes, we are. No way, seriously, 3. Let me tell you the error. The thing is that everything is the same except one line. This .env configuration should be at the top, because when I'm importing the client, at that time there is no .env file. That simply means if I move it to the top like this, just like this, the error is gone. I'm sure that the error is gone. My god. Just one line I moved from top to bottom, and all the way for 1 hour and 20 minutes that I struggled, everything got solved. And I hope that must already be the case with that, with this particular code. Here we are, but we have imported before that. We imported the Prisma client. So let's keep it even at the top. This is crazy. I'm damn sure this is gonna work right now. Well, I should not be this much sure, but this is the main reason I wasn't getting the access of environment variables. And if I just reload the page right now, ding, and let's see if I'm getting any error. Well, of course I'm not getting any error as such. I'm gonna be saving some of the values in here quickly, and now let's go to this chat, run it. I think I'm still getting the error. That's crazy. Let's go to the top. Yeah. Okay, let me do one thing. npm build. First of all, we'll be building it, then we'll be using it. Without building, how can I simply go ahead? npm dev. Okay, there are only 2 chats right now. Let me draw more. Here we are. Let me refresh the page first of all. Chunk. Okay, this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I thought I solved it, and I'm damn sure this should have been solved, but this damn thing is not working. I can give it one thing. I can just change one thing right here. That is the files that were already created. Let me delete them. So this is the WS backend that I had, and Excalidraw. I should not be deleting it, by the way, but I'm still doing it, just to be extra cautious. As simple as that. Okay, let me even stop the server that was running. I think it's gonna take some time. Let's delete this one too. Let's delete the node modules too. Let's do it on everything. WS backend, I've already done it here. I know I will be getting lots and lots of errors, that's obvious, but I'm not afraid of them, am I? npm install. Let's install everything, and all the errors will be gone for sure. Once it's done, npm, let's build everything. Let the things be built. I'm still thinking that I have solved the error. Just the build files were the problems, but still I'm not sure. Still I was getting the error, so let me give it the last try if it gets resolved or not. If it gets resolved, then we'll be going ahead with this thing only. If it doesn't get resolved, then we'll be trying to resolve it, as simple as that. What else can really? We have joined. Okay, so far so good. Next, let's draw some diagrams in here. This one, 3 diagrams we have actually. 3 diagrams we have drawn. And am I getting the error? Congratulations, yes, I am getting the error. Why? This time foreign key constraint violated on the constraint chat user foreign key. Something new we are getting. That's okay. it's not exactly, I hope it's not exactly the same. Yeah, this is something new that we got. Chat user foreign key constraint violated on the constraint. Why? This was the data. I got the message, I got the room ID as for the user ID. That's okay. What could be? I'm quite near, because the error that I was getting earlier, that I'm not getting the same error right now. That means we've gone a little bit. Here we are. Actually, not that. Here we are. It's saying that we are trying to insert chat, and what was the error name here? Chat user ID foreign key. Chat user ID foreign key. What I am saying that references to user, there is a relation in the user ID of this one is the reference ID of that. That's okay. The user ID is the string. The reference ID that I'm actually getting from user, that is also a string, should not have a problem. The room ID is an integer, and the room here it's also an integer. So integer belongs to an integer. This belongs to this. Message is always going to be a string. The user ID is going to be a string because it's a string in here as well. Okay, easy peasy. And then admin ID, well, I should not have any error in here. References to user is a string, so this is also a string. Similarly, user ID is a string in here. It references to the user ID. Seems to be fine. I don't find anything wrong in here. But the problem that I got, the error that I got, that was like this. Foreign key constraint violated on the constant chat user ID foreign key. Migrations. Let's have a look at this. And chat user ID foreign key. This is the one. Alter table chat, add chat user foreign key, user ID references to user ID, on delete, restrict, cascade, whatever. So ultimately this belongs to the chat section where this particular rule is being violated. Why is that so? Should be fine. But if it's actually getting violated, what can I do in that case? So where was I earlier? WS. There are so many files open, I can't, it's hard to find that if I just keep scrolling, so it's better to just type and search. Okay, here I was. Draw app, chat driver, foreign key constraint violation. What does this mean? Can't, I've missed this. Okay, yes, can't really do anything. I had some values inside chats right here, and I can do one thing. I can just delete it all. We have chats. Can I drop it? I should be able to do that. Yeah, I've dropped that. But now, as soon as it gets connected, I think I should be able to do this. pnpm cd. First of all, there's something wrong with my VS Code too. Not VS Code, actually terminal. But okay, that's not a thing to worry about right now. pnpm prisma migrate dev. All the data will be lost. Oh, can't really do anything, don't have any other option. pnpm prisma migrate and reset all the data. Okay, all the data will be lost. Yeah, I agree with that. Then once this thing is done, I should be able to see the changes that I have made. Let's refresh it right now. Okay, I haven't. Okay, I will have to migrate that. I have just reset that. So pnpm prisma migrate dev. This time it should be migrated. Oh, already in sync. Is that so? Didn't have any idea about this. Can I do one thing? Just refresh this schema. This public is something that I've got. Okay, I've got the things, but the thing is that this time here I'm not gonna have any user at all because I have reset it. In order to get that back, I will have to make a request to the HTTP server, sign up, sign in. All this stuff is gonna be going on. So first of all, let's do this. And this time, first of all, we'll be signing up. So the data server is not running. See, to step back, pnpm should be dev. Done. Okay, what can we do right now? We can just simply send sign up request. Let's do it. User has been signed up. Let's send a sign in request. Okay, a user has been signed in. I've got my token. Copy it. Let's create a room. Inside the headers, I will have to send the token as well. So let's send this token, create a room, send it. Room 1 has been created. Let's get the chats. In order to get the chats, we don't really have to do much. Let's get the chats. There are no chats right now. We can even save the chats. Okay, we can save the chats, but should we do that or not? Do we have body inside it? Yeah, I have. Should I do that? Why not? But one thing. Headers. We are sending headers in here. So let's now send it. So chat created successfully. I should be getting the chats as well. Okay, this much is done, and if I actually refresh the page, I should be able to get the chat. I refresh it. Okay, here we are getting the chat. Well, chat ultimately the diagram I'm talking about. So this thing is done. The next thing is to simply send okay, let's do one thing. Let's send the request from here, the shortest way ever. Okay, this thing. Oh my god. I think I'm messing up with the code. As soon as I send the data, what happens? You check. Let's go to it's too hard to just go through the things. Let's close everything right now like this, and let's go to apps, Excalidraw, and in here apps, canvas, page.tsx, canvas. Okay, here we are sending it. Okay, this, oh my god, I'm crazy. I haven't even changed this thing. This happens when you don't really use environment variables and just kind of hard code the things. You should never hard code the things because of this particular token, because this token wasn't updated. I was even getting there because of this thing. So what should I do right now? Nothing. It's simple. Let's go to sign in. The token was this. Let's copy the token again, and once this is done, let's replace this again. This is going to be hard coded again. That's really bad idea. I will not repeat it next time onwards, but for now let it be. Who cares? Except my code. This thing is done. What now? Nothing. Let's simply run it again, and this time the error is solved. Let's see. Loading. This thing is here, this thing here, this thing is here. Let's roll it again. Yeah, it's working, really working. And if I refresh the page right now, we get it back, man. So there were two mistakes. First of all, .env configure that should be on the top. I always have to keep in mind that .env file should always be on the top. First thing. Second thing, never ever hardcode the things. It's gonna be really hard to decode it other way. Once this thing is clear, what is remaining? I have to go with the class now. Insane. But now I'm gonna be going with the class of data science. Crazy stuff. I'm given it 1.5 hours. Even earlier, before that, I was, I think, struggling with the same error or something. I'm not sure, but maybe I could have been struggling with the same error. Okay, let me check actually. Have I been struggling or not? Okay. Before that, I had a live of 1.5 hour, 1 hour at least, and I think in this live as well. Was I struggling? Yeah. This is insane. So I've given it more than 2 hours or something. But never mind, it's alright, it happens. And it's the best thing. You end up learning something or the other. Until unless you repeat the same mistake again. Right now I can go with both the things, but the thing is that I would like to go with the data science thing. Not data science. Yeah, actually that's data science. We were learning about Conda. Yeah, Conda. The name is crazy. I like it. So we were Anaconda, that was actually Anaconda, but the short is Conda. So we were learning about that, and then we had to learn about Jupyter Lab. So now we are gonna be going with that. As for this one, we will be starting with this thing. So let's make tomorrow's plan first of all, so that we don't get distracted and things are gonna be clear this way. Talking about tomorrow's plan, it will be starting with web development, and then I'll go through Docker class, and then that data science thing. For now, talking about the course, so here we are. This is gonna be number A priority, A, and this is gonna be B, data science, DevOps, and this is gonna be the third one, C. I've given it the priority, so next day onwards I will not get distracted. Talking about the AWS, my bill was increasing for no reason. Actually, this is crazy. If it actually keeps increasing like this, I'm doomed. Actually, I'm gone. Let's see. Oh my god. Seriously? Why? Hi. AWS is crazy. Why is my bill increasing? Or I have the last option then. But the thing is that EC2 instances tax VPC. What does this stand for? 0.63. VPC in AWS. Virtual private cloud service that provides a logically isolated virtual network within the AWS cloud, similar to traditional. It gives you okay, it's time to do one thing. we had a keep increasing my bill. I'm never ever gonna add the payment. This suspend my account. That's even gonna be okay for me. We had a snapshots, and what I'm going to do, we don't have snapshots. That's crazy. Okay, we should be going to Mumbai. Let's delete all these snapshots. Can't even download them. I wish there was an option to just download this snap. Create a snapshot, launch, copy, duration, delete, manage tags. Let's talk about the recycle base that inside it. Protective Amazon ABS research because deletion. There is no way as such. Modify, push, manage, recycle, bin, delete, launch, copy, snapshot. Well, let's delete all of them. I wish there was an option to download them locally, but there is no option at all. In my AWS bill is being increased over and over. Don't really know what could be the reason. As for the security groups, even I'm gonna be removing them. What are you guys doing here? Just do not increase my bill unnecessary. So this thing is done right now. Anything else is remaining? What are you doing? Production one. Okay, didn't get deleted. Let me delete it. Oh, that's interesting. We could have exported it. That's okay, not a problem. Right now I'm gonna delete security group. So this thing is also done. I'm not worried about anything except this AWS thing. Because of this virtual machine here, I'm being charged heavily. And just for learning only, I created the account. Well, it was created a long time ago. What are you doing? Summary, storage. Explore region wise. Oh, what is this networking security? What the hell? VPCH in all these ones. Subnets 3, 3, 3, 4, 6, 4. What are the subnets? Can they be the region that I'm being charged? It's time to talk. Gotta explore this thing now properly. Can you hear me?
Sure. What would you like me to read? Or is there a specific type of content you're looking to have read out?
Well, yeah. First thing, I'd like to know that will I have a VPC?
Of course.
Yeah, can't hear me properly first.
Could you clarify what specific...
Yeah, I'm saying that what are the subnets in AWS?
In AWS, a subnet is a range of IP addresses within your VPC, allowing you to place AWS resources like EC2 instances in them. There are public subnets, which have internet access, and private subnets which do not. They help with network organization and segmentation.
Okay, if I have many subnets, will I be charged money for them?
In AWS, there's no additional charge for creating VPCs or subnets themselves. However, you will incur charges for additional components like NAT gateways, data processing, and data transfer. The VPC and subnets are essentially free.
Now tell me one thing, even there are some of the regions in which I have 4 subnets, and there are some ones in which I have 6, then in some of them I have 3. Is it problematic? Can I delete them?
It's generally recommended to distribute subnets across multiple availability zones for redundancy and fault tolerance. There's no strict limit to how many subnets you should have, but consistency across regions is important for manageability. If you're unsure or want to optimize your VPC design, you can follow AWS's recommended best practices or use tools like subnet calculators to plan.
I'm not getting one thing. Recently, even today, the whole day, I do not have any instance, I do not have any EC2 running machine. Then why am I being charged?
AWS typically doesn't charge for VPCs or subnets, but other resources like NAT gateways, elastic IPs, or data transfer can lead to charges. I'd recommend checking your AWS billing console to review detailed charges by service. If you're unsure about specific charges, contacting AWS support for clarification is also a good step.
Two point two nine 2.52 tax 0.6661 Amazon Virtual Private Cloud 0.63. Okay, that's all right. EC2 0.5, that's also fine. So ultimately, which one increase? Okay, I'm not asking. By the way, I can turn it off right now. EC2 compute 2.52 tax this much, virtual cloud 0.63, EC2 and others. Ultimately, I've learned how these things work, so I can go on like this only. I don't need any services like virtual machines and all, but I will have to have them to just go ahead. Let's see. Well, right now I have even deleted the snapshots that I had. So let's see whether now it's gonna be costing money or not. $4.33. It's too much actually. If I wanna continue using that, so I'll have to pay the money anyhow. Really shocking thing for me. But I hope if it does not increase, then that's okay for me. I have stopped everything. If it still keeps increasing, then I'll have to take care of this thing.
shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good.
shadows till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on you.